Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to see all of the red books on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So if you want to check all of the books that you own, so like they pop up in a single library, what you want to do is go to the library tab, so it's this tab right here, and then select the icon of the bookshelf on the top left. So select that, and this is all of the books that you own. So they're going to be showed up right here. These are all of the books that are in your library, and you can just start reading them by selecting one of them, and it will take you to read it. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.